Hello guys, welcome back to a new Julie's life vlog. I look like a mess, I know. Trying to get okay. So I just finished working out with this little fat chunky girl. Hello mamas. So my workouts are mainly with her, since I feel like if I don't do it with her, I feel like I don't push myself as like if I was like not to do it with her. And plus she's heavy, so that makes me work extra harder. But yeah, I have so much to update you guys in. I know I have not vlogged for a long time. Whew, let me sit down. Oh, my butt hurts. That princess. I haven't updated you guys like what's been going on. Like there's so much shit going on. Yeah. So now I have a schedule for when I'm be posting videos, which are Tuesdays. What Tuesdays for sure. Wednesdays, Fridays. Not sure. Depends like how my day's going, how if I'm doing anything Friday, like early up and early. It all depends if I have time. But for sure Tuesdays. Tuesdays are gonna be Talk It Tuesday, I think. If I'm not mistaken. Like basically I'm gonna be just sitting down talking to you guys about like life stuff that I experience, so you guys can relate, which I have a lot of things to talk about. Yeah, so Tuesdays is actually called Talk Tuesdays with Julie, and then Friday is Clean It Fridays, meaning cleaning videos, because that's the day I do my cleaning, besides like every single here and there. But yeah, so I don't know, let me know if you guys are excited for that. I just wanted to put this up first before I even start doing the upload the Talk Tuesday stuff and the Clean It Fridays. Yeah, and I have so much to talk to you guys about. I just went what's the day? Wednesday, okay. Monday I had an appointment for an MRI for my brain because I have been getting headaches really bad, well, migraines, and I have gone to the hospital for it, and whatever they injected me with did not work. I still came home still sick of my head, like really bad, so I had to go get an MRI done, which I did get the MRI done on Monday. I'm still waiting for my results. I did get blood work done, so I'm waiting for those as well. The babies are fine, perfectly good health, shape, whatever. The only thing my son does have, he's anemic just like me. But his level went up a little bit, but it's not fully. So he has more medication, and I still have to take mine, which I barely take them. But I'm trying to keep, like, I have to be, like, you know, healthy, not just for me, but for my kids. What else am I updating you on? Yeah, I want to update you guys about, like, the video, my schedule. Vlogs are gonna be here and there. Like, I don't have a specific schedule for sure. Like, Talk It Tuesdays, Clean It Fridays, for sure. But the vlogs, I'm not sure. It's gonna be here and there. And also, yeah, so I've been working out. I've been drinking my healthy stuff, because honestly, for a while I've been eating like a pig, like literally. I just been eating so much junk food, and I need to stop for real, because it just makes me feel sick, like, ugh, disgusted. So that's what I'm doing. Also, another update is, oh yeah, I also went to the doctor just because my hair, guys, is falling like crazy. When I mean crazy, I'm talking about like every time, like let's say I brush my hair out or play with my hair, a ball of hair literally comes out of my hair, which is so scary because I never had experienced that with Mason. But with my daughter, for some reason, I don't know. And also, I went to the doctors. Another reason why is because right now, believe it or not, I'm going through postpartum depression. Even though on camera it doesn't seem like it, just because I don't tend to show on camera, and not even in person. And this is something I did not want to talk about, just because it's not embarrassing. It's just very sad and emotional. But I'm going to be talking about it on Tuesday for you guys. It's going to be the topic, just because I feel like there's so many women out here and that are going through that, and they're going through it alone, just like I am. At first my husband didn't believe it, but it's like I said, honestly, guys are just stupid, okay? Because they don't know women have to go through after like birth, even during birth, but I feel like after birth is the most difficult part, because like your hair starts falling out, your weight gain, and all this stuff. Your body like went through so much and throughout those 9 months that now coming back it's like hard to be yourself again. So that's what I'm struggling right now, but I have to do it for my kids and what's best for me and my kids, obviously. So yeah, so that's basically all. I'm done updating you guys with with my life. Yeah, so I'm done updating you guys. Now I'm going to go ahead and take a shower, but first I'm going to give this little girl her bottle, then shower, and after I'm going to eat something, make a little what's it called, the brunch, I don't know, snack. But yeah, I have lots to do. Well, not really, it's just mostly just around the house. But yeah, okay, I am back. So basically what I did was I cleaned up a little bit. I didn't even shower. Mason, you locked the door? No, I have to unlock the door. Anyway, so basically, hold up. Basically right now I have finished cleaning the kids' room, especially their closet, because it was a mess. Basically, again, I started picking out what's going to donation, garbage, and all that stuff. What else? Yeah, and then what the heck? Sorry guys. So it's already 5:40. I finished. So right now what I'm doing is cooking, because my husband's about to get home. So today we don't have meat, and I can't go out right now to go buy meat because my husband has the credit card. And I didn't even shower, guys, because I got stuck cleaning up here. I'm gonna show you guys. What the frick? I started cleaning up there because there was like a bunch of like random stuff. So I decided, you know what, it looks cluttered, it's just irking me. So I took that down, and I just left the Mr. cup here and Mrs. when we got married, and then his trooper mug cup, whatever, and mine's is the skull. And then I bought these two at Family Dollar, where they were like $1.50 each, so I got them for sale, and they light up. So I was like, you know what, I'm put it there. So that is what I did. I'm out of breath. What the hell? So that's why I didn't shower, because I got caught up cleaning up there, and I was like, okay, that's what I'm gonna do, you know, and then I'm gonna go shower. Yeah, right, no. So I did that. I fed my daughter, then I went to the kids' room, then I started cleaning there, and then I just went from there. I started cleaning the whole freaking house. But now I finally finished. So now basically what I'm doing is sopa de lentejas, so a lentil soup. I know if you guys seen my other video of how I do the sopa, it's the same shit. The only difference is today I'm too lazy to even clean out the tomatoes. You know, I took out the teeth. I did it this time. I just left it in there because, like I said, I'm too lazy right now. I'm tired. I want to eat. I'm hungry. I had to do homework. I have lots to do right now. So yeah, I did that. I put 1/4 of onion, 2 garlic cloves, and tomate bouillon. And then I got this at the supermercado. They have it, like, you just pick it. This is basically one bag of what you normally would buy if you were to buy at the supermarket or whatever. So I'm going to use maybe a little less. And then that's it. And then boil water, and then we're going to eat it with tacos con queso. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's our lunch right now. Well, dinner, actually, sorry. And I'm just drinking a Mexican coffee. I haven't eaten since the morning, since like 7. So, yeah. I was going to show you guys the room, but it's locked, so now I have to unlock it. I'll be right back. That was weird because we didn't even go near the room. Anyways, so this is basically a little overview. It's kind of chilly in here. What the hell? And I don't even have the window open. But whatever. So yeah, so I decided to move everything almost. This stayed here. If you guys don't know, I made this by myself for my son. Well, we both did, but we just basically watching me. I need to change that because we're like really behind. We should have already been like on G or H. But like I said, we've been doing a lot of things. His stuff is here. More toys. His bed with his stuffed animals. He has a lot more than that. He has a whole bin, but it's in the closet. Here, that's going away. That's why it's there. This is staying here. That is good. Everything's good here. This is going because she don't even use it, so that's out. And in the closet, I will show you guys, but I have to move all that. And I'm too lazy to even move that. But yeah, that is their room. So sorry I did not update you guys, but I finished the soup. It's already, what time is it? Damn, it's already 9:20. My husband's not even home yet. He stayed for extra hours, but he's already on his way home. So yeah, this is how my soup came out. My lentil soup. It was so good. My son liked it, so that's a plus. I didn't eat yet. I only ate like 4 tortillas with bistec a la mexicana, if you guys know what that means. It's just basically Mexican steak, and that's it. And then I was about to drink some coffee that I have in the refrigerator, which I did yesterday, but then once it cooled down, I put it here just so I have ready to go cold. But my husband hit me up, and to my surprise, he asked me if I wanted either McDonald's, Dunkin' Donuts, and then I was like, I don't want McDonald's because I already had 8, so there's no point in getting McDonald's. Then he was like, oh, you want Starbucks? And you know, and then you're disgusting. And then so yeah, you guys, if you know me, you guys know I love Starbucks, especially now that it's fall pumpkin season. I've been wanting to get my hands on that freaking what was that called, pumpkin cream muffin, whatever, but I thought they would have it in the place that he went, but they don't, so I just got the pumpkin bread. Yeah, so and I'm also getting the pumpkin cream cold brew, something like that. Yeah. I did try it last time. I liked it. The only thing it needed more sugar, so this time I'm adding 4 pumps of pumpkin spice and 2 pumps of vanilla syrup, and hopefully it makes it like more delicious. But I liked it, so you guys like it, then go ahead. You guys like pumpkin and stuff like that, then you guys should definitely check that out. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, once my husband gets home, I'm gonna serve him his food, and then I'm going to, you know, do my homework fast because my brother's gonna come over to do his homework on my laptop, since they have not given his laptop yet. So I have to start mine, because mine is due by 12 o'clock, and I need to get that shit done ASAP. So yeah, so I will show you guys what I get, like from Starbucks right now when my husband comes. I'll show you guys, and then after that I'll be ending the vlog here. I know it's been boring, I know it's just been me talking, and I'm sorry, but yeah, it's been a very boring day. These are really my every single life. That's how it is, unless I have something to do, but which is very, very rare. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So I got my cold brew. They fucked up my order. I'm so pissed off, but whatever. I'm trying to make it work. So I got a venti pumpkin cream cold brew. The top part already melted. Like I said, I asked them to put 4 pumps of pumpkin spice and 2 pumps of vanilla. It's still better, but whatever. Maybe next time. And then I got my pumpkin bread. And right now I'm with my little princess, Ray Mama. And I am doing my homework. So yeah, so I'm gonna end the vlogs. I'm gonna end the vlog here, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys next time. Don't forget, Tuesdays, Fridays, okay? Those are my schedule for now, and then vlogs will be here and there. Bye.